Hi there and welcome. In this video I'll cover how to get access to and set up your initial environment for the HyperSkill Unity plugin, the VX Packager. The VX Packager lets you upload your own assets to your own private repository for your later use within the HyperSkill application. So to begin, you want to first navigate to siminsights.com. From here you'll want to log in. On the login page, you'll want to type in your credentials to sign in to your account. If you do not have an account, you can click the Sign Up button and complete that process there. After signing in, you will be on this home page. In order to get access to the VX Downloader pack or to the VX Packager download, click the Go to Downloads button. This will bring you on this page here. If you click the Download Unity VX Packager, this should start a download for you. Once you have finished downloading the zip file, go to your downloads and you want to extract the resulting package to wherever you'd like it to be. In my case, I put it on my desktop in this folder, the Unity projects. If you click in it, you should see this configuration of files. In order to first open your Unity project, you want to first go here, and this will likely not be here, so let me just remove this from my project list. Okay, and you're going to want to click this Add button. Then you're going to want to navigate to where you stored the Unity project, and you're going to want to click on that file and stop once you see this configuration here. Then click Open. This will link it here, and you will see some information here. What's most important to you, or likely, is going to be this editor version here. You're going to want to have the same editor version installed on your machine as what the VX Packager indicates. In order to check your installs for Unity, you're going to want to go here and either install an editor or locate where it's stored on your machine. Please follow the Unity information in order to do so. If you are lacking the version, you will likely see a little warning triangle indicating here, and if you click that button, it will usually take you to the install page of the correct version. With that, you are then able to open the VX Packager project, which the first time you open it, it will look like this. The VX Uploader should be open for you, but just in case it is missing, the way to bring it up is you would go to Window, scroll down, look for UI Toolkit, and VX Uploader. This will open the VX Uploader window for you here. You are then able to arrange your Unity field of view or any of the other configurations as you wish for your use within Unity. Please join me in my next video where we talk about how to use the VX Uploader or VX Packager in order to better utilize and upload your own assets based on their types. Thank you.